This video, I'm going to show you how to make user story maps in Miro. So the first thing that we'll need to do is go over to the board that you want to add. So for example, I have this blank board right here. And all you need to do is go over to Tools, Media, and Integrations and type in these on the search tools. User Story Maps. So here you will see user story mapping, which creates and edits story maps. So just click on it and you can uh, place it anywhere on the board. So just click on your mouse or your trackpad. And here you will see the new activity, new task, and the unplanned cards right here. So you can add more if you want, and you can also add to the right side or to the bottom. So it depends on how you want to edit your story map. And that's about it. That's how to make user story maps in Miro. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments and I'll do my best to help you out.